Yeah, from my club street. Listen.
Hello?
Hey.
Who are you? Oh, it's you, from yesterday.
How about we go out tonight?
No, I think that's not a good idea.
Why not?
No, it's too fast for a date.
I could cook for you.
What do you want? You want to cook?
Chicken. You like chicken? Of course you do.
Okay, but only at dinner. When?
8 o'clock?
8 o'clock? Tonight? Okay, see you tonight.
Okay, see you then.
Bye.
How much is the raw one?
It's €7.50.
I'll take it.
Alright, we are crazy. One love that your small mind can comprehend. And we have 2 disposable incomes and no kids. We're taking our business elsewhere.
The hand, it's the first round now, and Nadal is not going to look much ahead of
Back in this. Yeah, what's going on anyway? Been depressed. Orange bike. Heard a lot of banging and hitting with hammers, and didn't really think that that should be happening.
Rick, you want to...
Hey, it's me.
Hey.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything under control. What are you doing?
What I'm doing? I'm writing a letter for a client.
Listen, I gotta go. Quick! I need another chicken.
What? Another one?
Just give me the chicken. Peter, I need a chicken. Now. Alright, great. Been in a few minutes. Right, talk to you. Hi, man.
Hey man, here's your chicken.
Dude, it's alive.
Of course it's alive, it's a chicken coop.
Right, thanks anyway.
Hey, what do you need it for?
I gotta go. I'll tell you later.
got or see. Hiding in dark caves or up in a tree, taking proof that they're dead to collect the bounty. I'm a killer, and that's all I'm ever gonna be. Hunting down my prey on land, sky, or sea. Hiding in dark caves or up in a tree, taking proof that they're dead to collect the bounty. I'm a killer, not a killer.
Look, listen, I really wasn't gonna kill you. It's just, there's this girl coming over, and I really like her, you know. It was supposed to be our dinner. Guess things just got out of hand. Well, you got really lucky, you know that. I don't want to kill you. You're like my little buddy now. But we do have to do something about dinner.
I finished the bread.
Hi.
Hey, you look nice.
Thank you. You have a nice place.
Thanks.
Do you like wine?
I'd love to. Put it on the table.
Yes.
You're digging me, I'm digging you.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, almost ready. Just a sec.
Digging you. We can say that if you want, boo. You're digging me, I'm digging you. You're hot, so shit. I'm digging me, I'm digging you. It's always better when it's 1+2. Stepping in the club and I'm feeling kinda tipsy, dressed to chill, and got a couple girls with me. It's always better when you step with girls in the club. Other women wonder if you're friends or it's love. The shady ones try and get close and touch. Whisper in your ears, oh how they miss you so much. Down for a quickie in the bathroom stall. One leg up on the seat, one leg against the wall. I'm trying to cop two of them to roll out tonight. Tongue rings, stiletto heels, mini skirts looking right. First a couple of drinks, then we head to the telly. 365 days a year, 60 seconds in a minute to catch your ear. Give me another 2 and I'll change your worldview. Teach you something new about places to go to. What are you? Chinese or Taiwanese? The rocks in your ears are making the air freeze. You work out cause you fitting right in them jeans. Roberto Cavalli in them Prada shoes is mean who I be. Mr. Poisonous Tyger V. Worldwide MC painter as a hobby. You like that? I like that your ass is fat. Firm, but soft enough to take impact. From my one-eyed, super-sized serpent surprise. That'll leave your back aching long before sunrise. Say goodnight to your girls and I'll grab the coat. 20 minutes to the room and that's all she wrote. Floating, drifting on the seas, meeting foreign girls who only speak Chinese. Places I've been, had beautiful women, African, Latin, Caucasian, and Asian. Floating, drifting on the seas, meeting foreign